Oh, hello guys, no mo ni ang birthday celebrant karon. 1 year young 1 year young.
Don't skip this video, my child. I say to you today, I am sending great change into your life. I have heard your prayers. I know your heart, and I know you want better. I am sending better and greater your way. You have endured much in your life. People have walked away from you, judging you. But it only matters what I say you are. Stay on the path. I didn't create you to be perfect. I created you to be faithful. If you believe in God, put this reel on your story for good news this week.
Mani ang lola o gikan pa ni sa kuan Tibulog. Tibulog Manso?
Tibuli.
Tibuli. Oh. Hello. Hello, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Akan kata happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kyler. Happy birthday, Kyler. Happy birthday, Kyler. Happy birthday, Kyler. Uy, sa mga happy birthday, Kapoy. Kapoy man. Hagi Kapoy. Hagi Kapoy. Okay guys, no. Karon no, basing kamay lang handa no. Basing isa lang ka baka o duha ka baboy. Dito na balag ilaw. Bitaw balag ganing ginagmay lang no basta nalay. Pasalamat. Ay, guwapo gyapon ang akong among apo. Liwat ni lolo pero wala pa po. Happy birthday to you.
Kanta ikaw na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday man. Happy birthday to you. Kapoy ka? Manginom ka para. Ayaw babali. Mabuta si lolo. Mabuta lolo dili na hanap na kita. No? Bye-bye. 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 Happy birthday to me. Sinawag ulo lolo oy. Sinawag lolo. Sinawag ulo lolo no. Mana. No?
Ang dami kong dapat ipagpasalamat sa iyo, Lord. Kasi may mga laban at problema ako sa buhay na hindi mo ako iniwan. May mga laban ako na kahit kailan hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Salamat po, Lord, kasi araw-araw nakakaraos. Salamat kasi araw-araw ligtas. Salamat kasi hindi mo hinahayaan na magkasakit. Salamat dahil kahit na kailan hindi mo ako pinababayaan, pati ang pamilya ko. Lord, huwag kang magsawang samahan ako ha. Marami pa po akong laban na dapat maipanalo. Samahan mo po ako hanggang sa matupad ko lahat ng mga pangarap ko.